Think about this, knowing exactly where something is, down to the centimeter. Not just any where, but inside a complex building, a bustling factory, or even a crowded amusement park. That's the magic we're diving into today. So, who are we? We're CoreAIoT, a team from Shenzhen, born in 2019. Our mission? To make pinpoint location tracking a reality. We were the first in China to mass-produce these cool BLE AOA locators back in 2019. Think of it as giving Bluetooth superpowers for finding things. For 5 years, we've been obsessed with making this tech better, creating our own special antennas and brainy algorithms. Now, we're not just sticking to one trick. We've got 3 main lines: our original BLE AOA, a new combo with UWB for even more precise distance and direction sensing, and a clever way to measure distance directly using Bluetooth signals. It's all about making the invisible world of signals work for you. Now, who's behind this tech wizardry? Meet the team. Around 20 bright sparks, all working together like a well-oiled machine. We've got the hardware gurus, the antenna wizards, the software ninjas, the algorithm alchemists, the full-stack masters, the front-end artists, the testers, the support heroes, the marketing mavericks, the R&D assistants, the production pros, and our supervising supervisors. It's a real mix of skills, making sure every piece of the puzzle fits perfectly. Look at these snaps. That's the energy we bring to the table. All right, let's talk about the star of the show, our core location system. What's the big deal? It's a rock-solid platform for finding things, or rather, people or devices, anywhere, anytime. Using this clever angle of arrival trick, we can track BLE tags, think little beacons, with accuracy down to the centimeter. That's like finding a specific grain of sand on a beach. And it's not just for fancy gadgets, smartphones work too. It's reliable, you can bend it to your will, scale it up or down, and it won't break the bank. Basically, a smart, flexible, and affordable solution for keeping tabs on what matters. So how does this magic actually work? Imagine a network of smart anchors using standard Bluetooth, but with super sensitive ears, our micro antenna arrays. They listen to signals from tags, maybe worn on a wristband, and use our secret sauce, the angle of arrival algorithm, to figure out exactly where that signal came from. This picture shows the basic setup: tags, locators, gateways, switches, all feeding data to a server that figures out the location. The result? Pinpoint accuracy, almost instant updates, secure connections, easy to plug into your existing systems, tags that last over a year on a single battery, customizable options, and even a brain to analyze the data. Now, you might be thinking, what about UWB? Isn't that also good for positioning? True, UWB has its place, but let's compare the highlights. Both offer real-time tracking and high precision. But here's where it gets interesting. Our core location system shrugs off interference better than UWB. Plus, look at this battery life chart. Our BLE AOA tags can run for over a year, while UWB often needs a recharge every week. And guess what? You can use your smartphone with core location, but not typically with UWB for this kind of application. Installation complexity is also generally lower with our BLE approach. So, for long-lasting, reliable, smartphone-friendly, and less fussy positioning, BLE AOA is a strong contender. Let's peek under the hood at the basic principle: BLE AOA. Imagine you're standing in a room, and someone whispers to you. You can tell roughly which direction the sound came from, right? That's kind of what AOA does, but with radio waves. We use special antenna arrays, like super directional ears, to listen to the Bluetooth signal coming from a tag. By comparing the arrival time or strength of the signal at different parts of the antenna array, our algorithms calculate the direction, the angle of arrival. This diagram shows it. The base station measures the pitch up-down and azimuth left-right angles to the tag. Combine readings from multiple stations, and boom, you've got a precise location, often visualized in different colored zones showing accuracy levels. Here's a cool difference: efficiency. Most other positioning systems need at least 3 or 4 anchors to triangulate a 2D position reliably. Think of it like needing 3 friends to describe the location of a hidden treasure. But our BLE AOA technology? Often, just one smart locator is enough to nail down a 2D position. How? Because it's not just measuring distance, it's measuring the angle. This diagram illustrates it. One locator can determine the direction, and with some known distance info or constraints, pinpoint the location. Fewer devices means simpler setup, lower cost, and less clutter. Efficiency is key. And guess what? We didn't just invent this in theory. We were the first in China to roll out a complete, ready-to-use hardware and software package based on this BLE AOA tech. We built the whole ecosystem. From the AOA locators themselves, the tiny tags that carry the signal, the powerful location engine that crunches the numbers, the software to configure everything, the APIs to let other apps talk to our system. and even the ready-made RTLS applications. This diagram shows the flow. Tags send info, locators receive it, the engine calculates, and the info flows back to partners or servers. We made it practical, fast. Okay, so how do you actually set this up? It's pretty straightforward. You deploy a network of our AOA locators, usually connected via standard PoE switches. Think of them as the smart ears around your space. These locators feed data to a central brain, the location engine server, often running on a powerful server or PC. This server processes the data and provides the location information. You can access this info through a dashboard, cloud services, or integrate it directly into your local systems. This table breaks down the key players, the locators, the tags, the network gear like switches and cables, and the essential software components. It's designed to be scalable and fit into most existing IT infrastructures. Now for the fun part. Where does this tech actually shine? The possibilities are huge. We're talking serious improvements in public safety, making smart factories smarter, optimizing energy and power plants, revolutionizing healthcare, enhancing museum visits and amusement parks, boosting retail experience, streamlining warehouses and logistics, guiding visitors in exhibition halls, and managing smart buildings and parks. Basically, anywhere you need to know where something or someone is, inside or out, day or night. Let's see some examples. And it's not just talk. We've got over 1,000 cases where this technology is already making a difference. From massive industrial complexes to quiet libraries, our systems are deployed and delivering results. This visual gives you a taste of the variety. Think factories, warehouses, labs, museums, hospitals. The list goes on. Real-world impact, proven results. Let's zoom in on a killer example, a major kitchen and hot business units factory. They teamed up with 5G and our BLE AOA tech to create a truly intelligent warehouse. This wasn't just adding another layer, it was fusing the ultra-fast connectivity of 5G with the pinpoint accuracy of AOA. The result? Forklifts and goods are tracked with sub-meter precision, linked to their physical status. This means faster loading, a 50% increase in shipment efficiency, and significantly lower warehousing costs. The factory manager put it best. This fusion tech ensures accurate transmission of location information, achieving sub-meter level accuracy. It's a game changer for smart manufacturing. How about in highly regulated environments like GMP-compliant plants? Pharmaceutical giant Roche uses our BLE AOA system for critical asset management. Look at this interface. They can see exactly where every important piece of equipment is, along with its status, volume, and validity. No more searching frantically for that one specific instrument. It's all tracked digitally, ensuring compliance and efficiency in sensitive lab settings. The AOA locator keeps tabs, and the software dashboard provides instant visibility. Precision matters, especially when it involves medicine. Safety first. Ever worry about losing someone in a huge, complex place like a subway maintenance workshop? This system provides peace of mind for subway operators. By equipping personnel with BLE tags, managers can track their locations in real time. If someone enters a restricted area or gets stuck, alerts can be triggered instantly. This isn't just about efficiency, it's fundamentally about protecting workers in potentially hazardous environments. Knowing exactly where your team is, especially during maintenance, is invaluable. Logistics and warehousing again, but this time focusing on the vehicles themselves. In busy logistics centers, tracking transfer carts and vehicles is crucial for smooth operations. Our BLE AOA system allows managers to monitor the movement of these vehicles, optimize routes, prevent collisions, and ensure timely delivery within the facility. This visual shows the contrast between the physical environment and the digital tracking overlay, helping to manage the flow of goods efficiently. The eternal parent worry. Where did my kid go? Especially in fun, distracting places like amusement parks. Meland Club, a popular indoor playground, uses our BLE AOA tech to keep kids safe and parents relaxed. Parents get a wristband tag for their child, and the system provides real-time location updates on their app. If a child wanders off, an alert pops up. This lets parents enjoy the time with their kids, knowing they can find them instantly if needed. One parent said, "When kids go wild, it can be exhausting to search all over the place." This solves that problem beautifully. Even ancient knowledge needs a modern guide. The National Library of China implemented an indoor navigation system using BLE AOA combined with mobile phone positioning. Visitors can use their phones to navigate the vast library complex, find specific books or exhibits, and even get historical context pop-ups. It makes exploring this treasure trove of culture much easier and more engaging. It's about bridging the gap between history and technology, making knowledge accessible. In challenging environments like prisons, security and efficiency are paramount. High-precision indoor positioning systems, often using similar tech principles, have shown dramatic results. While specifics vary, the general application involves tracking inmates and staff, improving emergency response, and reducing incidents. The potential benefits highlighted here, significant reductions in violence and response times, and reduced workload for staff, demonstrate the transformative power of reliable location data in demanding settings. Let's switch gears to shopping. A Bosch retail store in Suzhou integrated our BLE AOA technology with their smartphone app. The results? Stronger customer engagement, increased brand loyalty, and significantly boosted sales through precision marketing. Imagine getting personalized offers as you walk past products you've shown interest in. Interactive features received great feedback, turning the shopping experience from passive browsing to active engagement. It's about connecting with customers in meaningful ways. Hospitals are incredibly complex environments where every second counts. Our smart hospital solutions leverage BLE AOA for a multitude of benefits. Think about finding doctors or equipment instantly, guiding patients to the right department, optimizing staff workflows, and even improving patient safety by tracking vital assets. This visual hints at the platform view, the busy corridors, the operating rooms, and the patient beds, all areas where precise location data can lead to significant improvements in care and efficiency. Museums are another perfect fit for interactive tech. The ShenZhen Museum, famous for its ancient artifacts, embraced smart technology. They implemented indoor navigation, allowing visitors to easily explore the vast site. Digital guides provide context, and interactive elements enhance the experience. As the caption says, of course, the new home also has no shortage of wisdom. This blend of ancient history and modern navigation makes visiting such a unique site even more enriching. Science museums need to be engaging and educational. The Shenzhen Science and Technology Museum used AOA positioning to create a truly immersive experience. Visitors get centimeter-level accurate navigation, both indoors and outdoors. The system plans the optimal route and integrates with smart voice explanations, 3D presentations, and more. It's not just finding your way, it's building a smart popular science ecosystem. This app screenshot shows the kind of intuitive guidance and rich information available, setting a benchmark for digital transformation in science venues. We've seen how this technology transforms various sectors, from industry to leisure. Now, let's look at some specific project details. Take this Bosch retail store project in Shanghai, completed in 2023. The scope was clear: provide navigation and statistics within the store. The tech stack? A WeChat mini program for the user interface, powered by our BLE AOA positioning. This allowed Bosch to understand customer traffic patterns and offer personalized navigation, enhancing the shopping experience and gathering valuable data simultaneously. What happens when you combine RFID for item identification with AOA for precise location? You get powerful warehouse management. This opens up new possibilities for tracking inventory with unprecedented accuracy. GE Healthcare uses a trolley tracking system in their factories. By attaching BLE AOA tags to trolleys and using electronic ink displays, they can track every step of the manufacturing process for specific orders. The system calculates the time spent at each stage, providing valuable insights into workflow efficiency. This blend of tracking and display enhances visibility and control in complex production lines. Royal Garden Factory, a large-scale manufacturer, leverages this technology. While the image focuses on the production floor, the underlying principle is the same: using BLE AOA to track assets, optimize workflows, and improve overall operational efficiency in a demanding industrial setting. It helps manage the flow of materials and information seamlessly. Schneider Electric, a global leader in energy management, also employs similar technologies. This image shows their presence in Shanghai and hints at the use of QR codes and potentially integrated systems for equipment management. While not explicitly stated as BLE AOA, the trend towards using location and identification tech for managing assets and processes is evident in leading companies. Now for a massive scale example, Cainiao Group's Hong Kong eHub. This became the first fully covered smart freight center in Hong Kong. Using our technology, they achieved 1-minute precise location tracking for every package and vehicle. From the moment goods arrive until they leave, the entire process is dynamically tracked and traceable. This image shows the sheer scale of the operation, with detailed slot information, quantities, and weights all digitally managed. It's revolutionizing logistics at a massive scale. Who trusts us? Some pretty big names. We partner with giants like Baosteel, Hikvision, and major hospitals across China, including Chaohu First People's Hospital, Sanya Central Hospital, and Tongji Hospital. We also work with diverse clients like Melland, Dior, Samsung Dre Museum, National Library of China, and many others. This diverse portfolio shows the broad applicability of our technology. Becoming a partner with us is a journey designed to be smooth and supportive. It starts with signing an NDA, then you get hands-on with our demo kit for testing and integration. We provide solid support during your pilot phase, and if everything clicks, you become a long-term local partner. We believe in building strong, lasting relationships based on trust and mutual success. That brings us to the end of this whirlwind tour. Hopefully, you now see the power and versatility of BLE AOA positioning. Thank you for your time. If you're curious to learn more, reach out to our sales director, Yiheng.Yue, or marketing director, Zheng. Their contact details are right here. We'd love to hear from you.